When I can't talk, when I catch a fish in Australia, what I'm doing, look at this.
Hello Island Tribe, welcome back to the Island family, guys. This is your girl Maria.
The island boy Africa.
And
Baby Island.
Baby Island.
Yeah,
so
man.
guys, today, as you can see, one love, always professing that. I just wanted to say, today we're going to the beach.
Definitely.
Excited. We're gonna spend a whole day just chilling by the beach. It's really hot already, as you can see. If you don't know, my face is already glowing or sweating, if you want to say.
Warm. You know, and I mean, it's been crazy trying to catch fish in Australia since I've been here. You know, it's only one time that we went, the first time that we caught some small ones.
Yeah.
And after that, I haven't caught anything else. So it's been a challenge, guys. I know you guys must be like, oh, where's the fish, you know? But yeah, we're still challenging it, you see it. So yeah, because I mean, before coming here, I always see the Australian YouTubers that I watch like catch crazy amount of fish, big huge fishes and all that, and I'm like, I'm here and I'm like, where are all the fish? Where are the fish at? Yeah, that's that. But yeah, probably we're not at the right spot. Or
there is fish, but the thing is you just have to have a lot of patience, because it's not like, you know, you have to build fish traps so you can get plenty of fish.
Yeah, I know that.
It's just,
I know.
yeah, so
But
there is fish.
Yeah, you have to have the right bait, the right hooks, everything, you know, that also, you know, help with fishing, you know, because getting the right equipment for it to catch specific fish as well, that helps, you know. So yeah, but we're gonna see anyway, regardless.
Well guys, join us for our trip today, so to the beautiful beach, and enjoy with us.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, blessings, stay tuned.
We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, babe's gonna be putting some petrol in the car.
Yeah.
Gas.
First time I do this stuff, peeps. Should be in the key, right?
Yeah.
Which way is me?
And then you're gonna yeah.
Oh, like that, simple like that. Alright. Which one is it?
98. Oh, careful. Don't press the nozzle. Alright, okay.
It's good now?
Yeah. And then you, look at the meter.
How much we getting?
50. Hang on, Island, we're coming now.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I'd one up in our fire, you know?
Yeah, this is what we feel like your own feel, which sucks though, because I prefer the Jamaican way.
Yeah.
Where people, like, I prefer the Jamaican way, like where people, keep going. Where people fill it up for you. They get paid to fill it up for you.
It's because it seems our robbery and all that with the gas thing too as well, so that's why, I think that's why they have it like that in Jamaica.
But people can still get robbed though. Like, people here, they change their number plate, so their plates, they change it.
Yeah. We're at this place, what's it called again? Karakai?
Karakai.
Yeah.
Just a small little town, a real country town, like literally probably looking at the thousands living here, only thousands of people, probably like 2,000-3,000 people in this community alone.
Yeah.
My dad used to live out here in the bush area, which we're going to go visit one day, eventually. Bush. Yeah, so people there having fun with their boats.
Yeah.
And this never used to be like this. This used to be like just literally bush. And then the councils cleaned it up, and they've made it a camping grounds. They made it camping grounds. They've made it, and now you can come and swim here. So families come and bring their boats and stuff here.
Yeah.
Which eventually we will do, because we want a boat.
Definitely.
Which we're going to aim for that.
Yeah.
And yeah, so they got your little shops here, little. I could actually go here. and do a bit of shopping there just quickly.
Okay.
Might do it there, yeah.
People camping out here.
Camping, yeah, people camp out here. It's really, really peaceful area, no problem, no trouble. People come here, jam session.
Oh, okay.
That jam session, so you can come and jam.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they have like singing. People come and sing out here.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, guess what I found? We just stopped at this little corner shop here in Korokai, and I found cassava chips. So we're gonna eat those and try them out and see what it tastes like. All right, and there's our esky all nice and filled with goodies. And we've got a full jam-packed car. Yay! And there's Babe drinking his milk.
Voila.
Voila, and Bobo's in the car.
Alright guys, so I come at a bait shop here. Yeah, see we can get a few baits, then head off to fishing. It's the ocean there.
Yeah. Do you want to go and get it then, babes?
Yeah.
I think we are lost. I am beautiful, I am woman, I am... Nah. I think we're in the wrong place, but
Really?
I don't know, we're lost again.
No way.
Oh no, I think we're in the right place because we did say they have wheelchair access.
Yeah, exactly. We're at the right
We're gonna have to come walk through here.
Yeah, nature walk.
Nature walk. Because we love all that stuff.
Yeah, hopefully we don't encounter any vicious predator. Oh my god.
Voice. Island, grab something. Come on.
We're here now. Yes, boo. Hold on. Island boy. What happened? How are you? Hey guys, so first thing we just gotta have a look. You know, cause we just arrived to the beach, to the spot. We've been here before, Iluka. Guys. Come. Go this way.
Island boy.
I swear he loves to be outdoor. See his face just light up now? Huh? Yes. We're going that spot? Island. Come. The ocean still seem a bit, you know, windy and some waves out there, so I don't know what to say, you know. Really love to have a good fishing day, but let's see anyway. Yeah. Nah, give up so soon. Yeah, let's see if we can find a little spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be a vibe.
This way, Bobo.
Oh,
Oh yeah, that's right.
the weather is not the best, guys. Yeah, still can't get the right calmness. You know, one fish out on the edge of them rock there, but you know, really that calm. Hey, Bobo, get up. Alright. This is where we were at the last time, right at this spot. There's some people on the beach. Let me try to zoom in. Show you what's up. Yeah. See that? Woo. Hey, boo boo. Yeah, guys.
Hi, guys.
Nice little spot, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bobo, Island boy. Where you going? Hey, mister. Where you going now? Huh? No, you can't do that on your own. Island? Cannot do that on your own. You know better than that. Yeah? So guys, we just got the little beach tent set up. Yeah.
Isn't
Nice.
it pretty, guys?
Nice. And look here, guys. Look what Bobo is doing to the GoPro. Full it of sun. Island. Oh my God, look at his face. Island, what?
Babe, that GoPro is not gonna work if it continues to.
I swear, look at that. It's loaded.
Oh, the battery's a bit on this one, but we're gonna have to change it when we get home. Here. You need some water, Dad. You wanna go get some water? Island. Island. Look. He wants to run. Careful, the rocks are spiky. Look, 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 Daddy got you water. Daddy got you water. Daddy fetch water for Island so he can play with his toy. Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on.
This way. Come. This way. Come.
It's gonna be cold, ain't it? Look, Bobo. Look, look. Island. Island. Woo! Come. Come, sit, sit. Come, come. Island. Island, look.
Are you feeling hungry now?
I'll have some.
Hmm?
I'll have some.
You'll have something now?
That's cool.
Yeah, now you can play with the sand.
Island, look. Bobo. Put sun inside. Look, Island. Island, look. And castle. Yeah? You like it? Oh, there we go, smashing! Oh, sandcastle, demolish. Island, fill it up. Throw sand in it? No? Don't want sand in it? Hey, mister?
So guys, while Babe and Island have a little play there with the sand, I'm gonna make something to eat so that everybody have a full belly and they can swim and play and fish and do whatever they want to do, you know. Yeah, so let's do this. Prince giving my hands a little wipe down before I make anything to eat. My hands are probably gonna get dirty anyway. You can play this with him too. It's a frisbee. You put everything but the keys in your bag.
Charlie, I could have a rest inside of this.
There you guys go. Just as simple as sandwich, tomato sauce or ketchup, cheese and chicken. And if you want egg, I boiled some eggs. Done. Guys, we just finished having lunch and now I'm gonna have one of these watermelon. These guys taste like sorrel. The sorrel. Pardon me. I make you belch though. Pardon me. Cheers, guys. And Island, what are you doing? He likes the sand. This is our setting, guys.
It's nice.
Yeah, you can sleep here.
Yeah, I feel like I could sleep here.
You need to go catch fish. Otherwise, I'm gonna go.
I say rock to the music.
Yeah, exactly. Goes to the music.
Look at him face, guys. Even I'm here, full of sand. You're the real island boy, aren't you?
Dancing? Dancing? He's sleeping. I will put this here. Wait, there. Look. Good morning. How'd you sleep last night?
It's crazy, guys.
He's been missing a rest at the beach. Oh, we're gonna go for a swim now. You coming?
That's cold.
Nah.
Not even the sun is out.
It's hot. We walked around the whole there. All the rocks. Me and Bobo. Ready? Let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3. She's having fun, guys. Wait, I want to throw it to Dad. Dad, catch. All we need now, guys, is to stay out here the whole night. Sleep here Good, interesting. I want to go for a swim. Let's go. Let's feel how cold it is. In and out, babes, in and out. And then you can go fishing.
That's the worst part about it.
What? Swimming and then going fishing? Yeah. How pretty is the water, guys? Come, Island. Come. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Wow, guys. Ooh. Ooh, the water's cold. Water cold. And Daddy's up there. Wave at Dad, wave at Dad, wave. Dad! See, Daddy there. Alright, come over here. Mommy get dressed and we go. Come. Water pretty. I don't know if I'm looking forward to the actual swim down there, but I'm gonna give it a go. It is a little bit warm. Not really hot though. Just really warm, guys. Just the water's still cold no matter what you do or how you do it. Still cold. Island, this way. Come on. Mummy, take her glasses off and things. Come on. Here we go, guys. Let go, Chaku. Let's go. Water's pretty, guys. Real pretty. Oh, wow. This is lovely, guys. Oh, beautiful. I feel like I'm the only one in here. Kind of scares me a bit when I'm like the only one in here. But the water is absolutely crystal beautiful. I love it. Absolutely. Just a quick in and out, guys. Don't want to be here too long. Yeah. So just a quick in and out. Hey, Baba, let's do this, hey? Yeah. Hi, everybody. We're gonna go in together. It's together, together, together. Wow. Whoa! Yes, sir. Ready? Mummy's gonna go in with you, okay? It's a bit cold for Mum. Oh, bit cold for Mum. Ready? We're gonna go down together. Ready, me and you? Woo! Yay, Papa! Absolutely amazing water, Papa. Say hi to everyone. Kiss. Mwah. Yay! So Island's just hugging me, guys. He's like a little bit. I'll just take off the camera. He's probably like a little bit scared of the water here. He's not used to the seawater. Oh my God, a big one's coming! Oh! Whoa! Woo! Bonita de mamá, Tashiti pala. Ay, qué bonita. Whoa! 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 The water waves, guys! Woo!
Alright, guys, so right now, baby's down there swimming with Island, and I just discovered something, guys, because at first I didn't bring the camera with me, so and then I went back for the camera just to show you guys this. Yeah, so let's hope it's still there. Yeah, I can see it. Alright, let me get a zoom in first. If you guys can see it well, that is an octopus right there. It's right there. But yeah, and there's a fish bait here as well, which probably it's been feeding off. Probably someone throw it there or something. Yeah. That's crazy, guys. It's just right there. But yeah, and there's a fish bait here as well, which probably it's been feeding off. Probably someone throw it there or something. Yeah. That's crazy, guys. You can see his eyes. At first when I just got here, it literally was out right on the top here on the surface. Now it's down in the rock. Yeah. So it must have got trapped in the tide pool, you know. So I have the fishing rods here, guys, and I also have the baits. So I got some fish bait and also some shrimp in here. See it, so yeah, it's kind of windy anyway, so you can't see. This is the spot where we came last time, but it was very rough, and today is basically almost the same. It's just a bit calmer, but I don't know what it's gonna be like anyway, so let's try. So let's go try, guys, using a lure right now, and hopefully catch something. So let's see.
So guys, we're gonna go see Dad now. Dad's fishing. We just had a swim. Main Island was beautiful. The water was absolutely beautiful. Wish I could stay in a little bit longer. Was a bit cold at first, but as soon as you get in, you couldn't feel it. But yeah, you know, you can't really get in these days because of Island. So yeah, now we're just hanging out with Daddy. See what's happening. It's a vibe. You see that? A dead fish? What's that fish doing there?
I wonder if someone put it there for it. Look, octopus.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, look guys.
Yeah.
Look what we found.
As I came out here, I just stumbled upon it.
Want to put your hand in there? Okay. Lovely. This is beautiful. The water is transparent. You can actually see the fish swimming through. This channel here would be perfect because, you know, you have beautiful fishes always swimming through near your coral reefs. So this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I feel like swimming in here. This is how pretty it is, or even snorkeling. Definitely. And Dad's going over there. Don't know what he's getting, but anyway. Saturday vibes with the Island Tribe, guys. Saturday vibes with the Island Tribe. Island, look. Yeah, guys, this is what it is. Love it. I don't know, guys, if this is an eagle or what, but it's a beautiful bird. The camera. Oh, be careful, babe. Be careful. What is pretty?
A few moments later.
Oh my god!
He caught a fish, guys. Beautiful size.
Finally, guys.
Look
at
at
the
this.
size.
Look at the size of it. Yeah.
Finally!
Woohoo!
You know this day I've been waiting? When I can't talk, when I catch a fish in Australia. I'm told, look at this!
Woo! Daddy caught a fish,
Babe.
darling.
This one is a nice one.
Yeah.
Right out at the deep end.
Yeah.
That's why I've been saying like I couldn't wait for it to get calm.
Nice. What? We didn't bring the esky though.
Yeah, but it
Gonna
will
have
stay
to-
alive. We'll put it in one of these pools or something.
No. We'll swim away.
No. Yes, away. Babe, I'm so excited. Are you?
Wow. Yes. What? That looks like a gold snapper. Oh no, it could be a brim.
This
No,
is
no,
a
no.
nice one, babe.
Yeah, it's a nice size.
Here.
Very nice.
What your
size.
dad gonna say now?
Yeah, Ruben.
Look at this. Ready for the competition now. Yo, I'm excited, babe.
I love
This
it.
is a nice one.
That's good, baby.
Oh,
Catch
thank
another
you, God.
2 or 3. We're good.
Let's do this. We
Mwah.
have fish.
Mwah.
Love you.
Love you.
Island.
Thank you, Dada.
Love you,
Love you
Bobo.
too, Dada.
The shrimp bait work.
Wow.
The first bait I threw out, I felt a bite, but it, like it got away.
Wow.
And this one I felt it like running.
All right, well, put your GoPro on your head.
Yeah, this time I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
5 minutes later.
Dad got another fish. Dad got another fish, guys. Let's. Yes, Daddy. Come, Island. Come. Look, Island. Daddy caught another one. Wow.
Them a bite.
What do you mean? They're biting.
We at the right spot.
Yeah, right
We at
spot.
the right spot.
Right spot, Daddy. Yep.
Your dad gonna be so surprised.
Yep.
No.
And this battery. Okay. Is it on?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's hope, guys, I get something done.
Yeah, I wanna see Mamacita now.
Because you don't know.
Alright, you can go further.
Further in.
Go further and throw it.
Watch yourself. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Something bit and then let go. Nah. Nah, felt like it. Something bites it though. Yeah, they left only like a little bit of it. Yep. I don't know, babe, but I felt a bite. Nah. Little stole the bait. Alright, go. You go.
Alright guys, so let's try again for the third one. Woohoo! Yard man up in a foreign. I catch fish I see. Oh, I see. Oh, I don't know. Look at this wave. Woo! Yo! Woo-hoo! The swell them get bigger, guys. Feel like I'm last. Feel like I'm gonna pack up, you know. Yeah. So we catch 2 fish today. I'm really give thanks. Really excited, I swear. about a soak me get from there, son, and I swear. Jaja.
Oh guys, it's been a beautiful day.
It's been amazing. At least this time I feel like we didn't disappoint. Caught 2 fish, which is more than enough, you know. And yeah, it's just amazing because been wanting to catch some big size, and these 2 definitely over the limit. You see it, so yeah, it was very fun, relaxing as well.
It was relaxing.
You know, chill and all that.
It was beautiful.
Yeah.
Island was well behaved too.
Yeah, so
yeah, it was good.
It was nice, guys. Really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And this beach is called, what's the beach called again?
I think it's Shark Bay.
Ooh,
Oh,
look at
kangaroo! Another one.
We're probably not gonna see.
Probably not gonna see it.
Eating
He's
grass.
right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's so cute.
Oh, he's hungry.
Yeah.
Probably gonna go eat all the nuts that Island threw. I had a jar of nuts and Island threw it all over the ground.
Oh yeah, guys.
I wasn't gonna pick up the nuts in the sand, guys, and wash them.
Yeah, so
that'd be funny. Anyway,
if you guys made it this far in the video, of course you must enjoy it to reach this far. So
yeah,
make sure to leave a thumbs up.
Yeah.
If you're new, subscribe. Click the notification bell. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so yeah.
Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, man.
Blessings, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Island Tribe.
Yeah, we have hit the road, you know.
Use the bomb. Now we're gonna hit the road, Jack.
Yeah, man. Head home now. So
alright, bless.
stay safe, everyone.
Alright.
Catch you in the next one. I'm gonna try to go as close as possible to the kangaroo. I don't know if it's gonna do me anything. Wait, hope this is not blurry. Shoot. Yeah. Probably messing up the lens there anyway. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm getting to see kangaroo over and over. Over and over I'm seeing kangaroo, guys. That's huge. Oh, it's eating grass. That's crazy, guys. Wow. It's eating, guys. That's beautiful. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna leave him there, let him be. That's cool though.